turning an empty corner into a gorgeous walk-in wardrobe. A DIY journey full of surprises. Upbeat, inspiring music begins. Narrator in home improvement, transforming an unused space into a functional and aesthetically pleasing area, is a testament to creativity. Today, we embark on a DIY journey, focusing on the empty corner. Our mission? To convert this forgotten space into a stunning walk-in wardrobe. Scene: empty corner of a room, measuring tape being used. Narrator: first, assess the space. Consider the dimensions. Precise measurements are crucial for maximizing space. Common sizes range from 4 by 4 feet to 8 by 8 feet, but customization is key. Scene: sketch of a potential wardrobe design. Narrator: next, the design phase. Browse for inspiration. Consider your clothing collection. Allocate space accordingly. Draw a basic layout, noting shelves, hanging rods, and drawers. This is where your personal style starts. The average wardrobe holds about 150 items. Scene: tools and materials being gathered. Narrator: the materials are key. Choose sturdy materials like plywood or MDF. These are available at hardware stores. You may need hanging rods, shelf supports, drawer slides, and handles. Consider the cost. Materials can range from $200 to $1,000, depending on scale and material choices. Scene: assembly of the wardrobe frame. Narrator: now, construction. Start with the frame, ensuring it's square and level. Use a drill, screws, and a level. Focus on precision, crucial for the structural integrity. A good frame provides a stable base. Scene: installation of shelves and hanging rods. Narrator: install shelves and hanging rods. Measure and cut the shelves to fit. Secure them. The height of hanging rods is important, typically 66 inches for long garments. Optimize space using double rods, increasing storage capacity. Scene: installing drawers. Narrator: drawers add organization. Install drawer slides on the frame and the drawer boxes. Assemble the drawer boxes and attach the fronts. Drawers enhance functionality. Scene: painting and finishing touches. Narrator: the final phase. Prime and paint the wardrobe. Choose a color that complements the room. Adding a mirror will expand the space visually. Consider LED strip lights for better visibility. Scene: completed walk-in wardrobe. Narrator: your transformed walk-in wardrobe is complete. A beautiful, functional space. This transformation adds value to your home. On average, a well-designed wardrobe can increase property value. DIY projects are rewarding. Enjoy. Music fades out.